Hey guys, today we will see how to install Joomla 4 on your local host. First, download the Joomla 4 latest version from joomla.org website. To install Joomla 4 on your local host, you must set up your Joomla local server. You can utilize local servers such as XAMPP, MAMP, or WAMP. If XAMPP is preferred, the desired option will be provided during download. It is necessary to download the appropriate package for the operating system being used, Windows, Linux, or Mac, and install it on localhost. The same process applies to WAMP. I have MAMP installed on my local host. To do that, download the package from its official website based on your local host's configurations, and follow the necessary steps to install it. After installing MAMP, you can access to phpMyAdmin, where you can create your desired database. However, for localhost, this step is not necessary. Next, navigate to your localhost by visiting the root directory of MAMP. Here, you will see a file named htdocs. Upload your Joomla 4 package by unzipping it and renaming an interface of your preference. Now we will install Joomla 4 by typing in the interface after the localhost name in the browser's address bar. This will take us to the Joomla installation window. To begin installing Joomla, first choose your reference language and input the name of your site. Then create a super user by filling out their name, password, and email address. Afterward, click Set up Database Collection. To move on to the next steps, provide the necessary information such as the database type, host name, username, and password. In our case, we use the default information for our database. Once your database configuration is complete, you're ready to install Joomla. Click the Install Joomla button and your Joomla 4 site will be installed. Now you can access your site's admin panel with the admin name and password. You can also preview your site using Joomla 4 templates. This is how you can install your Joomla 4 site. That's all for now.